Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 99 Honda Civic Type R EK9 and this is from the Speed Graphics set by Hotwheels, and this is the card art premium, which is around 299 rupees. And honestly man, just for this artwork, we need to pay 100 rupees more. Their normal quality itself is really bad, and just for this artwork, now they are asking us to pay 100 rupees more. I know this is there for a long time nowadays now, but still I'm not really comfortable with paying this much money just for the card art. Okay, here it is. Let me just put this aside and we can do the review now. Okay, so the first impressions of this casting are, you know see, you are paying 299 and you are getting shit like this. You can see here, right, there is some paint smear here, 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 here. See, this is why I don't like Hot Wheels. So you are paying this much money and they are not doing anything proper. It has taillight details and this Civic Type R logo and detailing here. Okay, it does have headlight detailing here, which is really nice. So I think this comes under this card art premium category, so they put all sides detailing, I guess. It has interior detailing to it, which is really nice. So this one is a right hand drive. So it has rear view mirrors as well, which is really nice. So this rims are, I do remember seeing this rim somewhere, but I'm not able to recollect it. So the body is made of metal and the chassis is plastic, if you guys are wondering. So let's do a roll test real quick. No, it rolls terrible. I mean, you can literally see the car, doing this pitch like this. The wheel wobbles a lot. I mean, both wheels wobble a lot. Oh my god, that is the worst. Honestly, that is the worst. But including this part here, the spoiler here, which is made of metal. So overall, if you are not going to play with it, it is good. But if you are planning to play with it, I'm not sure how to say this. This is one of the worst castings to play with. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like my content, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my content, subscribe. As always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.